Hey, what's up, my friend? Welcome to Grizzly Quiz, where the fun never hibernates. We're here for another thrilling challenge. Find the odd one out, Avengers Edition. Are you ready, my friend? Let's start with the easy level. Hey, guy, find the odd Spider-Man in this collection. Let's go. This is easy. Wow, great job. Next round, my friend. Remember the position of all the emojis. 3, 2, 1. Where is the Iron Man emoji? Iron Man, my friend. Number 2. Next round. Find the odd in this collection. Yeah, well done. Hey, dude. Guess character by emoji. Do you know this? Ant-Man. Find the odd Iron Man. Let's go. I think you're very good. Hey, friends. Subscribe to Grizzly Quiz channel for other wild quizzes and fun. Guess the character name from this anagram. Hulk! Let's move on. Find the odd in this collection. Very good. Hey, guy. Which emoji does not repeat it? Oh, yeah. Find the odd Capitan America. Guess character by emoji. You're doing a great job. Let's go on to the medium level. Now let's get serious. Find the odd in this collection. Wow, great job. Next round. Remember the position of all the emojis. Let's go. Where is the Hulk? Number 3. Find the odd Doctor Strange. Let's keep going. Guess this. Incredible Hulk. Hey! Remember to write your score in the comments below. Find the odd in this collection. Very good. Guess the character name from this anagram. Thor. Find the odd Spider-Man in this collection. Oh yeah. Play the next round. Which emoji does not repeat it? Find the odd Iron Man. You've done a great job. Guess character by emoji. Captain America. Well done. Now for the hard level. Find the odd in this collection. Fantastic. Play the next round. Remember the position of all the emojis. Where is the Spider-Man emoji? Number 5. Find the odd in this collection. Oh yeah. Guess character by emoji. Spider-Man. Find the odd Captain America. Well done. Guess the character name from this anagram. Ant-Man. Hey guys, you haven't clicked subscribe to the channel? It doesn't change anything for you, but it makes a huge difference to us. Play the next round. Find the odd. Hey dude, which emoji does not repeat it? Hey, good job, buddy. Find the odd. Guess this. Thor. Hey, remember to write your score in the comments below. Ready for a new challenge?